Many athletic apparel companies are getting into mask manufacturing. These could be masks for the medical community or the general public who are encouraged to wear some kind of protection when in public. One such manufacturer is New Balance. Yes, I do wear New Balance shoes quite frequently when I'm out and about, not running, but for general walking, going to get groceries. And I figure, why not match the look with the gray, medium-size New Balance face mask version 3. This is the first one offered to the public. This is a washable, non-sterile, assembled in the USA mask. It's very comfortable with 3 layers of protection. Though it makes no real claim, it's not FDA approved, they're trying to cover their back. The most comfortable mask I've worn yet. It's a nylon tricot inner layer, polyurethane foam, polyester suede outer layer. It looks fairly stylish. There's a big seam down the middle where you can see it does jut out, but it is glued down well. A brass nose underwire allows you to mold the top to your nose so that less steam fogs up your shades. And these are machine washable with like colors, tumble dry. On initial wearing, I would recommend that you air these out slightly. You do smell some chemicals. Under Armour had released a mask designed for athletic wear. This makes no such promise. I could see myself doing some kind of exercise in this if I was outdoors. Maybe, if I run somewhere, I'm running without a mask. It's not the toughest thing to breathe through, but you are going to have to breathe through your mouth and your nose to get the most out of this. Otherwise, it's going to feel kind of hot and you're going to feel like you're not getting enough oxygen. But I think comfort and being slightly stylish, the gray, it's not too menacing, it also doesn't look like underwear, make for good selling points on this mask. And at least you get 3 in a pack. So overall, I'm happy enough. I know I'm a male and I can't entice you to sign up for my Patreon with some skimpy cosplay photo shoot. So instead, how about bookmarking my Amazon influencer affiliate link? That way, whenever you shop Amazon, it tosses a coin to your Witcher. A popular Netflix reference makes me cool, right? No? Okay.